welcome back. So this time I'm going to be exploring with you another magic design. So let's go to create a design. So this time I'll just look for any layout and I use for my magic design. I've not explored, there are a lot of them. I just want to be taking them one after the other. So with this, I will be able to at least get a lot done. So let's start with elements, or let me upload. I'm going to upload a picture. Upload. So let me look for any picture to upload. So this is my picture, and using this picture, so maybe what I'm going to do with this picture, I'm looking for a ready-made picture. Okay. Okay, so this is my picture. I will click on edit picture. So over here, there are different ways I can edit this picture. There is BG remover. So BG remover is definitely 100% for me. I can remove background. And if you don't know how to remove background, if you are using free Canva, just use different types of, there is bgremover.com. You can remove background with it immediately. So let's try another one. If I click on edit, what about we trying magic edits? Oh, so let's click on magic edit. Use magic edit, this and that. Okay, use the magic edit. Okay, so they are teaching us how to use magic edit. I click on the flower, I regenerate anything I want there, and I'm fine. So try it out. So over here, my hand, or let me do see if I am carrying something. Okay, so I think I'm fine. The next stage is for me to describe books. Okay, so let's try the book. I need some books on my hand, as if my profile picture is all about me reading books. So get it out. This is AI. It has actually generated fast. We now have a book on my lap. So there are more options over here. This, I don't like this. I don't like this. This one look as if I'm too efficacious. This one is better. Then I click on done. Let me zoom in. Let's see what we have. The artificial book. So this is not bad at all. So give it a try. Now you can now do some magic edits using Canva, and I'm sure you will love this. So give it a try, and I'll be right back with more video. Thank you.